Hey, have you ever heard of the saying, content is king? You likely have, and it's more true than ever before. You see, every day, millions of people are typing into search engines like Google for solutions to their problems. And they could be visiting your link if you had quality content, resulting in free targeted traffic that converts into leads and sales. Problem? Creating quality content is a hassle in itself. You could either spend hours chained to a desk creating it yourself, hoping it ranks, or you could pay someone else to do it for you, which doesn't come cheap. It's not uncommon to pay $50 or $100 for a single article, and there's no guarantee that it'll ever get traffic. This is exactly why most overlook content creation when it comes to generating traffic. But what if there was a much easier way? A way that wouldn't involve boring writing or shelling out big bucks to outsourcers. The easy way exists. The future is here thanks to multi-profits. With multi-profits, you can instantly start creating sites with self-updating content. Content that Google loves to rank #1, which in turn gets you hordes of targeted visitors for completely free. You don't have to pay for a single dime of the traffic, meaning you get to keep every single penny of profit you generate. Let me show you how easy it is to start using multi-profits. Step 1. Enter any keyword of your choice. Step 2. Generate content that Google loves to rank on #1. And Step 3. Publish to multiple sites at once to start getting traffic. Multi-profits integrates with self-hosted WordPress sites, WordPress.com, Blogger, Tumblr, Twitter, etc. Yes, it's really that easy, and it's thanks to the new technology included inside of multi-profits. Multi-profits works in any niche of your choice, and it's perfect for all kinds of marketers. I mean, we all need traffic, right? It doesn't matter what you're doing. You need traffic if you're a list builder, blogger, affiliate marketer, offline marketer, high-ticket closer. The list goes on and on. No matter how you slice it, you need traffic to make money online. Access to fresh, quality content is the hands-down most simple way to start getting it, and creating it has never been easier thanks to multi-profit. Another thing you'll love is you can completely automate the process with no human intervention. Multi-profits will continue publishing quality content on your sites regardless if you're there or not. Oh, and it gets even better. With multi-profits, you can instantly monetize the traffic you're getting via Google AdSense. Just link your Google account so you can start getting paid. It doesn't get easier than this. Multi-profits gives you all the features you need to create unlimited content and unlimited sites that get you free traffic and sales in any niche of your choice. And we don't want anything to stop you from getting a copy of Multi-Profits, which is why we're taking the risk off your shoulders by giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's no way for you to lose here. We originally charged $97 a month for this offer, but during our new launch period, you can lock in a heavily discounted copy at a one-time investment. Want to lock in your discount? Then click the button below now to get started. We'll see you inside. We'll see